Abstract. The purpose of biomass fruit charcoal is to raise public awareness of the use of environmentally friendly, renewable alternative fuels. Additionally, it aids in lowering the amount of regular charcoal used in daily life and mitigating the pollutants that charcoal use causes. Our theory is to create charcoal that contributes to lessening air pollution by producing less soot. Without realizing that fruit peels can be used to create biomass, people often toss them away after eating the fruit. This has led to a great deal of waste, and rather than using the waste, countries will have to spend more money getting rid of it. Namusoke Immaculate, the founder of the Bakyala Twayun Women's Group, provided us with the idea to create fruit charcoal. They utilize banana peels to make briquettes. They utilize sand and dust as the banana peel top briquette. Still, we chose to utilize sawdust. We will lessen the wood dust if there is more smoke and soot so that the banana charcoal produces less smoke, hence lowering the air pollution. Because regular charcoal burns partially and releases gases that contain carbon particles and other hazardous substances, it generates the darkest smoke. Because the sawdust in the fruit charcoal reacts with oxygen when it burns, it emits less white smoke. This is because, of all the charcoals, banana charcoal has the highest starch and ash content. As a result, we think that banana charcoal is a useful product for lowering air pollution. Rationale. To raise public knowledge of the benefits of using renewable fuels that are also environmentally friendly. It also aids in minimizing the use of regular charcoal in daily life and mitigating the pollution generated by charcoal use. Hypothesis. It will produce less soot and contribute to lower levels of air pollution. Problem statement. In everyday life, individuals toss away fruit peels after eating them, unaware that they can be used to make biomass. This condition has caused a lot of waste, and countries will have to employ more expenses to get rid of those junk instead of using them. Project scope. Creating fruit charcoal involves a variety of biology. Importance and impact of project. Use of project. A. Cooking using stoves and barbecue. B. Provide heating or keep homes warm during winter in some nations. Methodology. We developed fruit charcoal based on the idea of Namusoke Immaculate, founder of the Bakyala Twayun Women's Group, Women in Self-Help, who uses banana peel to make briquettes. Sand and dust are used to make banana peel top briquettes. However, we chose to utilize sawdust. If there is more smoke and soot, we will reduce the sawdust so that the banana charcoal produces less smoke, reducing air pollution. Ingredients: a half bucket fruit peels, 1/3 bucket sawdust. First, cut or slice the fruit skins into small pieces. 2. Finally, combine the fruit peels with the sawdust. 3. Cut the mixture into smaller pieces or shape it using a mold. 4. Finally, dry the banana saps in an oven or in the sun until completely dry.
All materials like orange peel, banana peel, and watermelon rind is ground with a blender.
Mix the orange peel, banana peel, and watermelon rind compound with sawdust and knead it into a round shape. Dry all compound in the oven. The mixture is weighed. Equipment: retort stand and retort clamp, thermometer, copper cylinder can, mini portable stove, Bunsen burner, weighing machines, wire gauze and tripod stand. Experiment and results after combustion is carried out, contrasting the fuel value. Based on the computation, the best fruit charcoal is banana charcoal. Of all the fruit charcoals, it yields the most fuel value. Furthermore, it is evident that the banana charcoal we make is superior to the regular charcoal we use on a daily basis. Even though methanol may also produce a high fuel content, its combustion is incomplete and it loses a lot of heat to the environment. Analyzing the differences between the used charcoals and methanol, Because regular charcoal doesn't burn all the way through and releases gases that include dangerous compounds and carbon particles, it produces the majority of black smoke. When fruit charcoal burns, it emits less white smoke because the sawdust reacts with the oxygen. When burning, the wood stuff will release white smoke. Water will be produced during the bubbling of the charcoals, and methanol, as water vapor, is seen beneath the stove following burning. With the exception of alcohol, banana charcoal burns one of the fastest. This is because, of all the charcoals, banana charcoal has the highest starch and ash content. Conclusion. Benefits of employing this banana charcoal. Lower expenses, almost RM0.00 expenses. Create less soot. Burn hotter and longer. Easily dry out, use only 5 days. Avoid damaging our surroundings. Based on our testing, we can say that banana charcoal is the best fruit charcoal. Because using banana charcoal as our primary fuel in daily life can raise public awareness of the usage of environmentally safe, renewable alternative fuels. Additionally, it aids in lowering the amount of regular charcoal used in daily life and mitigating the pollutants that charcoal use causes. Furthermore, by preventing dangerous gases from leaking into the environment and beyond, it also aids in environmental protection.